Did you know? Recently may ginawa kaming move dito sa Ayala Land na bibihira mo lang makikita. Due to uncertainty, we decided to pause some of our major projects. Tulad dito sa Abida, yung The Heights. Instead of just pushing for sales, we chose to step back. Tulad nga ng sabi ng aming President and CEO ng Ayala Land, we couldn't in good faith continue to sell these projects and enter into agreements with buyers without the full confidence and conviction that we can deliver on time and the quality that we are committing to. Pinili naming protektahan ng future nyo kesa kumita lang. That's the standard of integrity we have here sa Ayala Land. Dahil dito sa Ayala Land, we don't hard sell, we hard sell.